Today's conference was very, very interesting to me. A lot of decision makers, a lot of technical matter, a lot of technical content in the presentations. There were a lot of figures about where the market's going to go. Two financial analysis companies have come and spoken to us about what they think where the market is and where the growth lies.
Very interesting to be here with all those experienced participators from all sides of the business. We just had a very interesting panel debate as well.
The conference itself, I think it's kind of important here in this area to share ideas, thoughts, meanings, and get some more spirit into the industry today, which has been in a kind of a distress for a few years now.
It was interesting to see that we are talking more and more positively this year than we were in the previous few years.
Offshore market for drilling rigs is coming back, and that also goes for the Jackup side of things. And there are many good opportunities out there still now that the market is recovering.